What's up, y'all? Today we are working on a bomb unit. Now the lace is already cut on here because I did off camera dye this wig jet black, but it is from Cynosure Hair and it is a 22-inch body wave lace front, and she's also 220% density, so a nice thick full healthy wig. Now I did dye jet black just because that is my favorite color at the moment, and I wanted it to be super black just for this half up half down, just to make it pop. So here I had already glued down the wig. I had already cut the lace, dyed it jet black, and installed the wig because off camera, just because I've done so many videos of me doing that I just didn't want to bore you with that. So I really only focused on the style. Right here I'm just doing my baby hairs, and I'm swooping, slicking, and really overdoing it because I want the baby hairs to be one of the main focal points of this style. Now, since the top is going to be in a ponytail, I am hot combing the wig, the front part of the wig back, just so it can lay as flat as possible. And you can see my wig cap just a little bit in the front right here, but I end up fixing it later on in the video. It really stands out because I don't usually do the ball cap method, just because I like to save my wig caps, and if I'm doing a ball cap method, I gotta throw it away once I'm done with it. So that's really why it's showing like that, and it's plucked really good in the front. But after I did all of that, laid the front, laid the baby hairs, I am going to put this scarf on while I'm putting the ponytail at the top of the wig. Now, if you've ever put a ponytail in a wig, you know that sometimes you do need to have something holding it down in the front just so it doesn't start to lift when you're doing the ponytail. So that's what we're doing. And now we're just gonna get us a nice slick pony. Now, to make the ponytail a little bit more full, I'm taking some extra hair that I found in one of my hair bands, and I'm just going to wrap that around the ponytail. This is not necessary. I just wanted the ponytail to be like really full. So after I did that, I am going to put a couple curls in the remaining hair with my big fat curling wand, and I can't wait for you to see the finished look. Here is the finished product, and if you did want to try this out yourself, I'll leave the description for the wig and the hair company down below. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah.